Making money online is like a dream for many of us. I've been trying to make money online for 15 years, and I had some success and a lot of failures. I will try to save you time and get through the process so you don't make the same mistakes I did. The best advice I can give to anyone, especially if they're just starting out, is to try everything. A lot of gurus keep telling you to not give up on a business, but they are wrong. What they mean is that you indeed need to keep trying, but you need to keep trying on something that has potential. That's the hard part, knowing when it's worth to keep trying. Giving up is not always bad. I will share different methods of making money online that have potential. Some of them are traditional, and some of them are not discussed so often. I will share some secrets that I discovered in my money making journey. So I recommend you to stay until the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Hello guys, I'm Aisar, serial entrepreneur and investor. In today's video we will talk about how to make money, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything regarding personal finance. If you subscribe, comment below I subscribe and I will answer you. I will talk first about most traditional ways of making money online, and later I will talk about less known ones. The first method of making money online is to start a digital marketing agency. I co-founded a pretty cool digital marketing agency in the past. We had like 15 employees, a lot of clients, and a cool office. We offered a lot of different services like social media management, Facebook and Google Ads, branding, video creation, graphic design, web development, and more. I will put some photos so you can see the office. As I said before, we offered a lot of services, but I recommend you guys to focus on one type of service and be really good at it. That way you can do targeted marketing and charge a lot more for your services, and it will reduce the overall overhead of the company. Overall, we did pretty good. We were always in profit, making several thousand a month. Like seriously, it was a fun and nice experience. Sadly, we had to close because the other co-founder and I, we had some difference. So we thought that the best for the company was to close it. The second way I recommend you to make money online is to start a dropshipping store. I know, most of you probably know about this one, but hear me out. Dropshipping is getting hot right now because of TikTok ads. Dropshipping is a business where you sell products without buying them first, so you don't have to spend money on inventory. You will buy the product after the customer pays for it. You find a product on a web like AliExpress, build a store around that product using a software like Shopify, and then you start doing promotion of that store in a platform like Facebook ads or TikTok ads. And every time a person buys the product, it will automatically send it from China direct to the consumer. China is just an example. It can be any country that your supplier is in. TikTok ads open the possibility of doing untargeted ads. Let TikTok decide our target audience. TikTok is amazing doing that. And if you add the incredible viral potential that TikTok have, you can do wonders with your dropshipping store. Not only that, TikTok is less restrictive than Facebook. So dropshipping is in a good shape. We had a time when Facebook started to banning ads from dropshipping stores. That's one of the reasons why dropshipping was losing popularity. But now it's recovering with TikTok ads. Bonus tip, like anything in life, it's really difficult to compete and get noticed. So you have to do everything you can to stand out. This is applied in every aspect of life, including every type of business. What do I mean by that? Okay, I have this YouTube channel, and if I want to compete and get noticed by the audience, I need to be as good as my competitors. The lighting, the video quality, the audio, the content. I need to do everything I can to stand out. That's why I am doing everything I can to deliver the best video possible, at least to be as good or better than my competitors. The best, the better. This applies to every business. You want to be the best in the field. Try to know everything about the business. The little things are always the most important things. The third way of making money online is to become a copywriter. Like dropshipping, copywriting is hot right now. You can do a pretty good amount of money doing it. It can be freelancing or working for a company. You decide what to do. I'm a writer, so I have memory. I started creating blogs since I was like 12. Like any other skill, this needs practice. But you can do it if you put the hours into it. In 2018, I joined a software company as a writer for their blog. It was a pretty cool experience and I made good money. If I was you and wanted to start copywriting today, I will join Twitter and start offering my services there. Twitter is one of the best places to offer this kind of services. Later in the video, I will talk more deeply about Twitter and the potential it has to doing business online. You can write emails for people, entries for blogs, websites. You can even write tweets for people. The fourth way of making money online is to sell your knowledge via advising. Giving advice on a topic you're good at is one of the best ways of making money online. If you are good in sales, you can help other people on their sales strategy. The only thing you need is experience in the field and a way to promote your services. For example, I have a lot of time in the crypto space. I was part of the team on a lot of successful projects, and even I started a project that was pretty successful. Because of that, I started advising other people about crypto marketing on Telegram and Twitter. As I said before, you only need knowledge and a way to promote your knowledge. Again, Twitter is great for doing that. I don't really recommend Fiverr or similar platforms like Upwork because it's really difficult to stand out there. There's a lot of competition. It's really hard to get noticed. The fifth way of making money online is to create a personal brand. Every way of making money online we talked before will be enhanced if you build a personal brand. If you have a personal brand, you will have more clients than if you don't have one. People want to work with companies and people they trust. So having a personal brand will help you a lot if you have a digital marketing agency, or if you do copywriting, or if you give advice or mentorship on a certain topic. A secret that I discovered is that Twitter is great for building personal brands. You don't really need a large following to make good money. With 1 to 2K followers, you can do a couple thousand a month. That's because a lot of industries prefer Twitter over any other social media. Gaming, tech, finance, and crypto are just examples of industries that use Twitter. As I talked before, I use Twitter for offering my mentorship regarding crypto marketing. I didn't need a large following for doing my first deal, just a couple hundred. You need to be social on the platform in order to grow, like any other social media. You need to comment on other people's tweets, send DMs, and make friends. The work will come naturally. Instagram can be good for other industries, like fashion, so you need to know which social media platform your industry is in. Thanks for reaching the end of the video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel or hit the like button. It will help me a lot.